Hello students, hope you are doing well at your home. See, in our previous class we have solved all the solved examples and completed all the exercises. After completion of all the exercise, what we used to do? Do you remember what we used to do? That I used to give you question for practice and we call it as what? We call it as practice time. So let's start our question of our practice time. Now see, during our practice time, what I used to do? Do you remember? I used to solve few questions and I used to give you so many questions for practice. So see, here our first question is, an isosceles right triangle has area 8 cm square. The length of its hypotenuse is. That is your part. You have to find the length of its hypotenuse. Okay. Now the second question is, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 60 meter, then its area is. That is also your part. After that, the sides of a triangle are 56 cm, 60 cm and 52 cm long. The area of the triangle is. So here what we have to do to find the area of the triangle, what we have to do, do you remember? Here it is already given the three sides of a triangle, 56 cm, 60 cm and 52 cm. Is that okay? Here A is not there. A is 56 cm, B is 60 cm and C is 52 cm. Then we have calculated S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So that equals to 56 plus 60 plus 52 by 2. That becomes how much? 84 cm. Okay, now it's very easy. Then we will use the formula. Area of triangle is equals to root under S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Is that okay? And after calculating and putting the value, here our S is 84, so 84 minus 56, 84 minus 60 and 84 minus 52, and after calculation we got the value 1344 centimeter equals square. Hence the area of a triangle is how much? 1344 centimeter square. Now see, this question again will be solved by you people. The area of an equilateral triangle with side to root 3 cm each. So you have to remember what is the formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay. Now this question is also for you people. The length of each side of an equilateral triangle having an area of 9 root 3 cm square each. That is also your part that you have to solve. After that, this is the same question. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 16 root 3 cm, then the perimeter of the triangle is. So we know area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 a square, that is side square. So here it is given what? This part is given 16 root 3, so root 3 by 4 side square is equals to 64, so side is equals to plus minus 8, so we will consider plus 8. Perimeter will be what? Sum of three sides, 8 plus 8 plus 8, that is how much? 24 centimeter. Now this is your part. The sides of a triangle are 35 cm, 54 cm and 61 cm respectively. The length of its longest altitude. Here we have to find the length of its longest altitude. So first S we have to calculate. S sum of three sides, 35 plus 54 plus 61 by 2, so 75 centimeter. Then we have calculated the area, and area we got 420 root 5 centimeter square. Now see, the now longest altitude will be the perpendicular on the smallest side of the triangle from the opposite vertex. This you have to remember. This you have to remember. Length of longest side is equals to twice area of triangle by this one, the side. Okay, so here this becomes 2 into 420 root 5 by 30. Why we have written 35? Base part. Okay, so that becomes 24 root 5 centimeter square. Now see, this is your part again. See, this is your part. The area of an isosceles triangle having base 2 cm and length of its equal side 4 cm is. That is also your part that you have to calculate. Is that okay? Now see, here the edges of a triangular board are 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. The cost of painting it at the rate of 9 paise per centimeter square each. So here S we will calculate. After calculating S, we have calculated what? Area of triangle. So cost of painting, you multiply that with the area. Okay. Now see, here few questions more you have to solve. Write whether the following statements are true or false and justify your answer. The area of a triangle with base 4 cm and height 6 cm is 24. That we have to calculate. Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. So half into 4 into 6, 12. The statement is false. The area of triangle ABC is 8 cm square, in which AB is equals to AC is equals to 4 and angle A is equals to 90 degree. That is your part. And here, the area of the isosceles triangle is 5 by 4 root 11 cm square if the perimeter is 11 cm and the base is 5 cm. This also you have to calculate. And the next question is the area of an equilateral triangle is 20 root 3 cm square, which each side is 8 cm. So, just to calculate, area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 side is square. So, this becomes 16 root 3 and here it is given 20 root 3. Hence, the given statement is false. Is that okay? Now see, here this question also you have to solve. If the side of rhombus is 10 cm and one diagonal is 16 cm, the area of the rhombus is 96 cm square. This is a homework part for you and this you have to solve by yourself. So this much for this class and this chapter, and in the next class we will start new lesson. Is that okay? So I hope you have practiced so many questions and this chapter is very clear to you. So this much for this class. Rest in the next class. Till then, stay safe and have a good day.